Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Workato for enterprise automations for apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Workato website. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner. Fill in your information in the sign up form. Provide a valid email address that you have access to. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Select your business size and industry from the drop-down menus. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Workato. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Workato website and log in using your email and password. Explore the various subscription plans available for enterprise automations. Choose the plan that best fits your organization's needs. Click on the Start Free Trial or Select Plan button of your chosen plan. Enter any required billing information for the subscription. Review your order and ensure all details are correct before proceeding. Familiarize yourself with the available integrations and automation recipes. Begin creating your first automation by selecting the apps you want to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your automations as needed. Utilize the resources and support offered by Workato to enhance your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.